Today I'm going to be making some pumpkin butter cookies. Happy Place Camping had asked if I could make some pumpkin cookies. So I'm going to use my pumpkin butter to make them. And I'm going to do the easy way today. I'm going to use the cake mix. I've got the butter golden cake mix. If you have a spice cake mix, that would work great. You just wouldn't add the spices like I'm going to. So to get started, I'm going to add my cake mix to the bowl. I've got a teaspoon of cinnamon, a fourth of a teaspoon of ginger. Make sure I get it all out. It smells so good. Just kind of toss it together a little bit. And I'm going to use a whole jar of my pumpkin butter. Just add it to it. Okay. And then I've got a stick of melted butter. Just going to mix this up a little bit. I'm going to add 1 egg. And some vanilla, just a splash of vanilla. I can tell that it's a little bit wet, so I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of self-rising flour just to kind of dry it up a little bit. Oh yeah, that's better. I'm experimenting, so hope they turn out good. Now I'm going to use my ice cream scooper. Just drop them on there. Okay, I'm going to pop this in a 350-degree oven. I'll show you what they look like. Okay, I'm going to get my frosting ready. I had this left over from my cinnamon rolls. It's my cream cheese frosting. And Ozark Mountain Goats, Josie had suggested me adding some maple flavoring. So I'm going to do that on the pumpkin cookies. I'm going to add some maple flavoring to this frosting. And that smells so good. I'll stir it up really good. Really pretty. I'm gonna taste it. Get me another spoon. Oh yeah, that's good. That would be great on the cinnamon rolls. Thank you, Josie, for suggesting this. Okay, here's the cookies out of the oven. I'm going to start putting the frosting on there. I like to put the frosting on there where they're hot. Like to take a little dollop and put it right in the middle, and it'll start melting, and it makes it easy to spread. This smells so good. Then you just kind of take your spoon and just kind of spread the icing all over the cookie like that. And then after you get all the icing on there, then you just let them cool down. And the icing will get like a crusty, crunchy. Kind of reminds me of those oatmeal cookies that you get in a package that has the icing on there. Boy, if y'all could smell these, you can smell the cinnamon and the maple and the pumpkin. It smells so good. And they're so easy to make. Okay, I'll bring you back when they have cooled. And I'll give them a taste test. Okay, it's time to try one of these delicious looking cookies. Let me see which one I want. I'm gonna get one of these little ones. See how the icing gets kind of crusty, crunchy on top? Look at that. Don't that look good? Look at that cookie. I'm gonna taste it. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. Look at the inside of that. That cinnamon and pumpkin and maple all together. Oh yeah. It's delicious. Hope y'all give it a try. Thank you, Happy Place Camping, for suggesting this pumpkin cookie. Hope you give it a try. Thank you all for watching today. I hope you have a great day.